Pentagon is the place to be for those looking for the complete package. Whether you're strolling around our beautifully landscaped grounds, splashing in our sparkling pool, or socializing with neighbors in our recreation room, there's something for everyone. Our friendly and professional staff is available 24 hours a day for your emergency maintenance needs, and we offer a convenient on-site laundry facility as well as assigned parking. Our newly refurbished floor plans have it all. Your spacious, open-concept living room flows right into your all-electric kitchen. Plush carpeting and ceiling fans keep you comfortable, and you'll have plenty of storage on your private patio or balcony. If you're in need of more space, check out our 3-bedroom penthouse apartments with a spacious rooftop deck for you to enjoy. Our prime location is near an array of restaurants, shopping, and entertainment just outside your door. And convenient access to I-880 gets you to Oakland and beyond in minutes. Call today to discuss our move-in specials and discover the difference at Pentagon.